we are going to replace this shifter boot with a brand new OEM one. Nice. First thing we got to do, remove this shifter knob. It's probably screwed on about 10,000 turns, so this will take me about an hour and a half. Oh look, Mazda Speed. That looks expensive. Now, this thing is supposed to have about a dozen clips on it, but it doesn't. So it just pops right off like that. Now, I can just flip it right over. Huzzah! So now, there's just 4 screws, Phillips heads, that are holding this disaster of a shifter boot on there. So we're going to go ahead and pull those 4 screws out. With those 4 screws out, boom, look at that. Oh, great, it's stapled on. That's terrible. But guess what? The new one is pre-stapled. Look at that, comes with the plastic piece and everything. This is so easy. All right, let's throw it on there. Probably goes something like that. Nope, that's backwards. Maybe like this. Oh yeah, that's the jam. So I just threw the 4 screws in, and remember, this is 1990s plastic. It's crap. It wants to be in a million pieces. So don't tighten these screws wicked tight, because you'll just break them all off. And then you have no plastic, and then you have to buy a new center console piece, which is probably like $10 billion. So what you do is hold down this really tight, and then put the screw in, but don't let the screw pull everything tight, because you're just going to break all the plastic. So take it easy, take your time, hold it down, and tighten up the screws. Let's flip it over and see what it looks like. Oh, dang. How nice is that? Now let's pop this Mazda Speed shift knob on here, and we are going to be in business. Almost. 10 million more turns to go. Here we go. Close. This is it. All right. Nice. All right, so that looks pretty good, right? Pretty nice. I don't know what this thing cost. I'm sure it was expensive. Glad I didn't have to pay for it. Let's see what the part number is. All right, here are the part numbers for this shift boot. And I assume it's this one. FD0164330C, 00 made in Japan. I don't know if you can still buy these or not, or if this is like an NOS one, but that's the part number if you want to look it up yourself. If I can find them somewhere online, I'll put a link in the description. Otherwise, I don't know, maybe just subscribe to my channel. All right, so I guess I hope you like the video, and maybe subscribe, maybe leave me a comment down below, and I guess we'll see you next time. All right?